Bro, your guitar ready already. I did some adjustment to your saddle as well. So right now it's very low. It's way lower. I wouldn't say it's very low. It's way lower. Right now it's somewhere around 2.25. Previously I think it's around 3 plus. It was way higher. So yeah, give you a demo. Then after that you can pick up. Let me know when you want to pick up. Okay, bye. So apart from that, your tuners also, if maybe later on you might want to consider changing the set. These are generic set. Usually it wouldn't last more than 1 to 2 years of playing. Then but the guitar plays quite well right now, so yeah. Awesome. I like the sound is good. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you need my help, you can WhatsApp me on 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.